Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Maulang umaga na naman. Hallelujah. Today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. TGIF. And 31st of January. End of January today, everyone. And the weather is 4 degrees raining. Yun ang update. That is my update for today here in UK. Dito ako sa gitna ng road. Ay. And time check is 4:17 na. Oh, late ako ng 2 minutes. Oh, hallelujah. Okay, see you after 15 minutes walk. And one bus, everyone. Going to my job site. Bye-bye. Breakfast tayo, everyone. Wala pang tao sa banyo. Yung kasama ko. Time check. 5:20. Late na kami kasi umuulan, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Uwian time. Pero pupunta sa ibang trabaho. Andito ako sa South Kent Station. And then, this is the curb. Ito ko sa tunnel. Para, kasi umuulan sa taas. So, ayun. Dito na lang tayo dumaan. Ayan. So, that's it at the moment. See you later after the 2 trains, Ealing Broadway and Elizabeth Line, everyone. Press bake. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan na ang train station, everyone.
This is an Elizabeth Line service to Heathrow Terminal 4 via Heathrow Terminals 2 and 3. The next station is West Ealing. Change for services toward Greenford. For safety reasons, please keep luggage clear of the aisles and doors, including the area behind the driver's door.
Ayan everyone, maulan pa rin pala dito. Dito na ako sa Hagin. Yun. Yun yung train station. Oh. Diba? Kaya, see you later everyone. At maulan. Maulan dito sa Hanway. Ang ulan pa naman ay pino. Ano? Pino, pero grabe, diba? Oh. Nakita mo, makita niyo. Oh, yan oh. Pino yung ulan, pero Matagal tong tumigil pag pino ang ulan. Good afternoon, everyone. Anong oras na? Alas 3 na, everyone. Ayan, nakatapos din. Medyo na late ako ng late ako ng umpisa kaya. Tapos nag-lunch pa, kumain pa, ayan. Kaya nabot ako ng alas 3, everyone. And that's it at the moment. See you later after two trains.
Train is full of 9 coaches. Change at Whitechapel from services to Sheffield.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. If you would like assistance on one of those trains, please ask a member of staff. We're happy to help.
Hanwell. This is an Elizabeth Line service to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf. The next station is West Ealing.
Bye! See you at Liverpool, everyone. Super lamig dito. Good afternoon, everyone. Time check. It's 15:55. So, I need to change my uniform. Because dire-diretso ako ng uniform kay Tina. So, ayan. Dito na ako sa panggabi. Pero maaga pa. So, kain muna tayo. Kain muna tayo, everyone. Nasaan na yung alcohol? May alcohol. Kahit sabihin mo, may gripo dyan. Nasanay na ako. So, as usual, my favorite. My favorite one. Lunch merienda kasi kumain naman ako kay na Christina kaya lang nagugutom pa dito. Pagkatapos ng trabaho kailangan kumain. So nandito tayo. Kain tayo. Ang dip ko po ay Caesar salad. Kaya, yun. Lunch. Merienda time, everyone. Ayan, everyone. Ay, parang hindi maganda ngayon. Durog. At saka hindi crunchy. Yung pagka-fried nila. Okay, bye. See you later. Finally, everyone. I'm home, everyone. I'm home. Grabe, oh. Gabi na. Alas 9. Time check. Alas 9. Ganda nito. 9:42 na. Kita nyo, ang galing na. Super bango. Grabe. As in, ang bango. May mga Amazon. Oh. Dito lang iniwan yung delivery. Parcel. Good evening, everyone. Have dinner. Have some fun for dinner. Even it's late, but this is my normal dinner. It's already 9:21, everyone. See you. Good night. God bless. I love you all.